The future of furniture manufacturing is here. Your customers want custom pieces, and they want them quickly. That's where 3D CAD modeling comes in. It's transforming how modern furniture gets made, from initial concept to final production. Here are 5 ways furniture manufacturers can benefit from 3D CAD modeling. Traditional 2D drawings can only show you so much. But 3D CAD modeling with SolidWorks and Inventor lets you work in a complete 3-dimensional space. You can see every component from any angle, apply real material textures, and spot problems like misaligned hardware before a single piece gets cut. Your customers don't want cookie-cutter furniture anymore. With 3D CAD's parametric capabilities, you can quickly adjust dimensions and features. The model updates automatically, no need to redraw everything from scratch. Materials are one of your biggest costs. 3D CAD modeling with SolidWorks and Inventor lets you optimize every design to use materials more efficiently. You'll reduce waste, minimize offcuts, and perfect your joinery techniques before making a single cut. When your design is ready, 3D CAD speaks directly to your CNC machines. It generates precise cut lists, nesting layouts, and G-code automatically. No more translation errors between design and production. Your designers, engineers, and production team all need to be on the same page. 3D CAD creates one master source of truth. It automatically generates shop drawings, bills of materials, and detailed assembly views that everyone can work from. The furniture industry is changing fast. Your competitors are already using 3D CAD tools like SolidWorks and Inventor to work faster and smarter. Contact TrueCADD today to learn how advanced 3D CAD solutions can transform your furniture manufacturing operations.